In this video, I will show you how to uninstall programs and apps on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, the first thing you're going to want to do on your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, and in the search box you want to go ahead and type remove. Once you've done that, underneath best match you should now see an option for add or remove programs. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this. Next, where you can come to actually uninstall programs and apps from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So what you can do is scroll through the list of installed apps, or alternatively, if there is an app you're looking for in particular, you can come up and use the search box at the top. Once you've found the app that you want to uninstall, what I'm going to do is take BlueStacks as an example. What you want to do is come to the right hand side of the app to these three dots, give that a click, and you're going to see an option to uninstall. So at this point, you just want to go ahead, click uninstall, and then click uninstall again to confirm. What it's going to do is basically run through the uninstallation program for that particular application or program. So all you would do is just follow the steps to uninstall, just like so, and after a minute or two, that's going to completely uninstall, as you can see, and that's going to be removed from this apps list here. So that is how to uninstall programs and apps on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.